In cross-border legal matters, presenting foreign public documents in an Indian court isn't as simple as handing them over. Why? Because Indian law demands a certain standard of trust and verification. That's where Section 78, subsection 6 of the Indian Evidence Act, 1872 comes into play. It lays down how foreign public documents can be admitted as evidence in Indian courts. Here's what the law says. Public documents from a foreign country can be proved by the original or by a certified copy, but not just any certified copy. It must carry a certificate under the seal of a notary public or an Indian consul or a diplomatic agent, attesting that the copy is duly certified by the officer who legally holds the original. And there's one more thing. You also need proof that the document qualifies as a public document under the foreign country's laws. This may sound complex, but it has a very practical purpose: to ensure authenticity, to maintain a traceable chain of custody, and to protect courts from fabricated or doctored evidence. Now here's the real-world challenge. Let's say someone has court documents from the UK, maybe asylum rulings or child custody orders. Even if they hold the originals, Indian courts may still require certification. This is where the Ministry of External Affairs, or MEA, steps in as a procedural facilitator. With directions from the Honorable Court, the MEA can contact the British High Commission in New Delhi, route the documents to UK authorities through diplomatic channels. But the request isn't to review the content, it's only to verify the form. Are these genuine documents? Do they bear the right official seals and signatures? Do they match records in the issuing authority's system? It's a clerical verification, neutral and procedural, not a legal analysis, not a judgment. This limited role protects diplomatic channels from overreach while serving the needs of Indian courts. In short, Section 78, subsection 6 offers the legal basis, and the MEA offers the diplomatic pathway. Together, they ensure that foreign origin public documents hold up in Indian courts, with legality, neutrality, and respect for international comity. Admissible, authentic, accountable.